Welcome to the Central Asian University School of Dentistry. I welcome you to join the Fall 2025 admission season. The Central Asian University School of Dentistry is officially partnered with IADR, which enables students to study international European curriculum. Also, we are proud partner with IADR. IADR enables students to present their research fully funded in international conferences sponsored by the organization. We are also proud to present international research opportunities, international presentation opportunities all over the world. With state-of-the-art infrastructure of the setup as well as internationally trained professors, we welcome you to join the world of dentistry. Central Asian University School of Dentistry is also proud to have the study partnership for student exchange programs with University of Florence in Italy and University of Pennsylvania, which enables our students to gain top-notch experience with international experts. So, hope to see you all in the admission season of Fall 2025. Thank you.